Okay, in this question number 9, two Coast Guard stations A and B are 150 km apart with A due north of B. The Coast Guards are attempting to find the position of a ship. Radio signals indicate that the ship is on a bearing of 146 from A within 100 km of B and nearer to B than A. On your new page, mark the position A. The question states clearly that you have to start from a new page. So I say that this is my point A. I mark this point A here and use a scale of 1 centimeter to 10 kilometer. Mark the position of B. And what is given here, that B is 150 kilometer apart with A due north of B. Due north of B. North is mentioned here, that this when this direction shows that we have this north direction here. So we have to draw a line of 10 centimeter because 1 centimeter represent 10 kilometer, so it means 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer. So 150 kilometer represents 15 centimeter. So we'll draw a line of 15 centimeter. So we draw a line of 15 centimeter. We have a short of space, so might we will not get the exact 15 centimeter, right? So from this 7 till 7 and then somewhere here it will be approximately 15 centimeter. Okay, so it means that this will be our point B. So here somewhere will be our point B. So I will say that is my point B. Okay, now the question is, draw the three loci corresponding to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so the first loci was on a bearing of 146 degree from A. This is the point A and this shows the position of north. So I have to measure an angle of 146 degree from this point. So I will measure this angle of 146 degree from this point, and what I find here, that this one is 146 will be somewhere here. So I mark here that this is the point 146 degree. I will draw a line here. So by assigning joining these 2 points, I will draw a line here, and this line is 146 degree. Okay, I will extend this line. It's a very difficult task because I don't have much practice of using these e-geometry boxes. Okay, so but I'm trying to show you as clearly as I can. Okay, so within 100 kilometer of B, this shows that 100 kilometer of B means this is rule 1, a single point, and 100 kilometer will show 10 centimeter, as 1 centimeter represent 10 kilometer. So we will draw a circle of 10 centimeter. So I will use here to draw a circle of 10 centimeter. So check here that there is approximately it is 10 centimeter. So I will draw a circle of 10 centimeter, right? So I will draw an arc of 10 centimeter. So the next thing is nearer to B than A. This is my point B, this is my point A, and the question states that nearer to B than A. So nearer to B means B. These are 2-point question. So what we will draw here, we will draw a perpendicular bisector from point A and point B. And to draw a perpendicular bisector, we will draw an arc of more than half, right? So this was 15, so more than half will be about this. Okay, so I will use a different color to show you clearly. Okay, so I draw an arc here, and similarly I draw an arc here, this one, right, above the line and below the line, and by maintaining the same uh, radius, I will draw the second arc here. I will draw the second arc, and uh, okay, so we'll draw a second arc here. So what we get here, that we'll draw a straight line, and this will be our perpendicular bisector. Okay, this will be our perpendicular bisector, right? Okay, now don't forget to mention that what construction you have. This is for part 1, so I will mention here, this is my part 1, and this is my part 2, and this is my part 3. So I have drawn these 3 loci here. Okay, so now on part B, on your drawing, label the 2 extreme positions of the ship S1 and S2. Now what the information was given, that the Coast Guard are attempting to find the position of a ship, and radio signal indicate that the ship is on a bearing of 146 from A. So it means that ship is lying somewhere on this point. The second, within 100 kilometer of B, it means it would be in the inner region of this second part loci, that the arc I have drawn here. And the third part, nearer to B than A. Nearer to B than A means it must be there somewhere here. So what are the positions, possible position? The first position will be this point S1. Okay, and the second position will be the another point where this line and this will meet. So I don't know where, so I just mark here that let's suppose this is S2. Okay, so part C is the bearing of the ship from B is x degree. So that was our ship. So you have to write the what possible bearing may be, the extreme position of S1 and S2. So, and you have to write the angle here. Okay, so I will try to show you that how would you measure angle. So just from place this at point B. Okay, this is a point B. Now you can check what angle can be. It would be, I think, 35 degree, right? It will be 35 degree for S1, and when you will measure for S2, it will be more than 90 and 100 and something. So one possible answer maybe is 35. X will be, if I will draw this line, so this angle will be of 35 degree. Similarly, whatever your second point will be, you will measure this angle. So you will write that x must be less than 100 and something, whatever this answer, and greater than 35 degree. So these are the 2 possible bearing of a ship, and the 2 possible points are this S1 and S2. Hope I think I have tried my best to explain you this question. However, if you have any problem, you can contact me. Thank you very much.